How to log in Revolut account. Open any browser of your choice. You can also open the Revolut application if you want. Click on the search bar. Type in revolut.com. Press enter. You will be led to the official website of Revolut. Click on the option login that you can see on the screen. You will be led to the login interface. You can log in using the phone number, or you can also continue with email, Google or Apple. Click on the login method of your choice. If you selected the option for email, simply enter the email address over here. Click on the option continue. Once you do that, you'll be asked to enter your passcode. Simply enter your passcode over here. If you have forgotten your passcode, click on the option forgot your passcode and you'll be able to reset it. Once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on your screen. After that, you'll be logged in to your account. Or you can directly log in with your QR code. If you're logged into your phone, what you have to do is scan this QR code in order to log in. Like this too, you'll be able to log in. So like this, you can log in Revolut account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.